Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So it looks like Samsung is preparing to blow your mind. According to the latest leaks by Ice Universe, we have some good news for people that have been long crying about the Exynos processor. As you know, anybody that gets the Exynos processor gets slightly lower performance and battery performance than the Snapdragon variants of the same phone that usually gets released in the US and some other parts of the world. Now, according to Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy S21 is now slated to get the Exynos 2100 CPU, which, according to him, actually has more powerful performance than the Snapdragon 875, which is the successor to the 865. Now, if this is the case, this is great news for Samsung fans around the world. And to be honest, it's also great news for the actual brand. They do need to fix this problem of having an inferior Exynos processor when some people are getting a more powerful Snapdragon version that leaves a bad taste in the mouths of Exynos owners. So Ice Universe also shows us a screenshot of the benchmark scores for Snapdragon 875. Looks like the single core performance 1120 and the multi-core score is 1319. And in the same tweet, he says this is going to be beaten by Exynos. He's saying that the Exynos is going to have a multi-core score of 4000. That is a considerably higher score than what we have in this screenshot. So that is the good news. A solid processor in these phones is a must around the world, not just in select regions. But on the flip side, we have some very bad news that I did talk about before, but we have even more evidence, or at least leaks, piling up, giving life to a gloomy scenario in which Samsung might cancel the Note series. So real quick guys, I know we love the internet, but everything that you're doing online is basically being tracked by everyone, including your service provider. Now with NordVPN, your location and your connection can be completely hidden and secured under a military-grade encryption, so you can surf the internet without a trace, no matter where you are, whether that's your home or in a public location. So if you do care about your privacy and your security, grab NordVPN. It's so secure, it even allows you to trick the system by making it look like you're surfing the web from another country, while you could be sitting in the United States, so you become untraceable and hack proof. Now if you go to nordvpn.com/org/SAKITECH, what you're getting is 68% off, plus you get 1 month free, and of course you get nothing to lose because you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link nordvpn.org/SAKITECH, which is also linked down below. It's time to become untraceable. So Ice Universe keeps mentioning this in tweet after tweet after tweet. In this one tweet, he's saying if the Galaxy Note series is eventually replaced. Not good. Another very gloomy tweet. He says, an unusual clue. There is currently no information on the development of the Note 21 series. So this insider here that knows what's going on in Samsung headquarters is saying, as of now, there is no information that they're developing a Samsung Galaxy Note 21 series. I sure hope this is a baseless leak, but again, that's Ice Universe, so we have to take it a little bit seriously. Now going back over to the good news, as you know, the Galaxy S21 almost certainly has S Pen support, and on top of that, Ice Universe saying the S21 Ultra is going to refresh multiple records. So that could mean the S21 is truly going to blow your mind away. Refreshing multiple records means there's going to be multiple portions of this phone that is going to break records. At least that's what I think that tweet means. So all that is good news for the Samsung Galaxy S21 for Exynos, but very bad news for the Samsung Galaxy Note 21. Before I say that the Note 21 is gone for sure, I'm going to wait a little bit more as we get closer to mid-2021 to see what's actually going on. Trust me, we'll know very soon. Anyway, that was a quick video to give you guys a quick update. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?